Good morning, everybody. Let's see what time we got. It's 6:37 a.m. on the 30th. Cha-ching, it's almost ended. Our weatherman is saying 74. I've got 83. I was looking at the thermometer. Let's talk hurricanes first, and then we'll get to the earthquakes and heat warnings and weather. Hurricane Norman is now a Category 3 hurricane. It is moving west at 7 miles an hour with sustained winds of 115. Hurricane Miriam is Cat 1, moving west-northwest at 8 miles an hour with a sustained wind of 80. Typhoon Jebi. Now this one is bothering me, guys, because Japan doesn't need any more. It's moving west at 12 miles an hour with right now a sustained wind of 125. Moving over the northeastern Mariam Island toward the Philippine Sea, heading for Japan by September 4th. They're predicting by the 31st it'll be 145 mile an hour winds in the morning at 2 a.m. and still moving west-northwest. And by 2 p.m., they're predicting it to be 150 mile an hour winds moving west-northwest. And that's heading right for Japan. All right, earthquakes. We had a 4.7 in New Caledonia. That was at 10 kilometers in depth. We had a 4.9 in Tonga. Now, we had a 5.3, which USGS downgraded to a 4.7 in Costa Rica. We had a 4.8 Mid-Atlantic region. And we had a 4.3 in Afghanistan. In Kansas now. Kansas had two. 3.0 at Harper's, Kansas, and then we had a 3.2 at Harper's, Kansas. Both of those were at 0 kilometers. Now, we had a 2.8 in Tom's Place. I had to tease my husband about that one. In California, and that was 1.4 kilometers. We had 2.9 in Geyser, California, and that was at 3.1 kilometers. Let's go to the heat advisories. From New York City, Long Island, Connecticut, all the way to Rhode Island, you guys are under a heat advisory and heat warning. That is 3-digit numbers. Sorry, Tom's coughing this morning. That's his thing, first thing. He's got a cold. So let's try that one again. Heat advisories from New York City, Long Island, Connecticut, and Rhode Island to Rhode Island. You're under 3-digit heat advisory warnings. You've got rain in Kansas right now, heavy at times. It's going to be blossoming out and moving to Missouri. They're saying it could be severe with heavy downpours. Red flag warnings are in Wyoming all the way to Utah. Guys, that's all I have. I'm going to see if we can catch the sun. Let me see if I can reverse this camera just a little bit. Nope, it ain't going to reverse. At least I can't figure that one out. All right, God bless. Be safe. Have yourself an awesome day. If you're not in the heat advisory areas, get out and enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy what you're seeing, please give a thumbs up. Thank you so much. God bless.